Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from ECGC Limited. Name of the post is Probationary Officer Journalist. Qualification asked is graduation. Here upper age limit is 30 years. There are 28 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here remuneration is that you will be in the pay scale of 88,635 to 1,69,025 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 2nd December 2025. Moving on. Friends, before we move to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we keep on adding new courses for preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. Moving on. Friends, next vacancy is from Bharat Dynamics Limited. Name of post is MT Finance, that is Management Trainee Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 5 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Remuneration is 15.5 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 29th December 2025. Moving on. From next vacancy is from Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Name of post is Finance Officer. Here qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, MBA Finance or PGDM Finance. Here upper age limit is 37 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 2 years of experience. And here remuneration will be 60,000 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th November 2025. Moving on. From next vacancy is from West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts. Here qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 26 vacancies. Place of posting is in West Bengal. Friends, the permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here remuneration is that you will be in the pay scale of 56,100 to 1,60,500 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 29th December 2025. Moving on. From next vacancy is from GAIL India Limited. Name of post is Senior Officer Finance and Accounts. Their qualification asked is Associate CA or Associate CMA, or you should have a BCom or BA or BA Maths or BSc Maths or BA Statistics or BSc Statistics or BE BTech with minimum 55% marks. Along with that, MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks. So basically graduation plus MBA Finance with 60% marks, or a CA or a CMA. Age limit is for ST category candidate 33 years, for PWBD category candidate 43 years, and same is for ST category candidate. There are 2 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 1 year of experience, and remuneration is that you will have the pay scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 23rd December 2025. Moving on. From next vacancy is from Balmer Lorry and Company Limited. Name of post is Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Age limit is 32 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Vizag. Friends, the permanent vacancy. You need to have 5 years of experience. Remuneration will be 17.78 lakh per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th December 2025. Moving on. From next vacancy is from Jammu and Kashmir Services Selection Board. Name of post is Account Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks, or post graduation with minimum 50% marks, or a PhD holder. Domicile of J&K is eligible. Age limit is maximum 40 to 48 years. There are 600 vacancies. Place of posting will be Jammu Kashmir only. Nature of job is permanent. No prior experience asked. Remuneration will be 6.5 lakh per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 6th January 2025. Moving on. The next vacancy is from IIT Dharwad. Name of post is Junior Superintendent. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks. Age limit is 34 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Dharwad. Friends, is a permanent vacancy due to 5 years of experience, and remuneration will be 7.3 lakh per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 14th December 2025. So that's all for this week, friend. Do share this vacancy with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I'll see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.